Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
I want to show you how to make some beautiful southern fried chicken with just one ingredients. That's all you're going to need. Just one ingredients. And this is what you're going to need. This Moss spicy breader mix. That's all you're going to need. No salt, no pepper, no onion powder, no nothing. You understand what I'm saying? All you have to do is just wash your chicken up well. I got some legs right here that I done cleaned up and I patted dry. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of this here Moss spicy breader mix right on top. I'm telling you, y'all, this is all you're going to need just to fry chicken. If you can't fry chicken, let me tell you how you can fry some of the best southern fried chicken ever. People will love you, and they will thank you for frying up some chicken like this right here. So all you have to do is just get this here Moss spicy chicken breader mix, and that's it. Put it all on your chicken and just let it go. And here's the crazy thing about this here spicy Moss breader mix. You could put this on fish. You could put this also on some pickles. If you want fried pickles, dip it into that as well. If you want to have some crusty potatoes, fried potatoes, try this here Moss spicy breader mix. Let me get these other pieces in here real quick. This is an easy way of frying chicken, y'all. I ain't putting no seasonings on this. I just use that Moss chicken batter. That's it. For the beginners. Don't want to overcrowd the pan, so I'm going to put at least around about 5 pieces in this. Alright, so that's the first piece right there. Kind of floating a little bit. These are other pieces that I put in. Coming out pretty nice. Temperature holding at 350. Let me show y'all real quick. Alright. Coming along, y'all. We'll be back. They coming out pretty good. Like how the colors looking on them. That's a little test piece right there, had to tie into it. But as far as the crust go, crust looks fantastic. And you couldn't tell, that's that first piece right there. That's that first piece. Lord, the chickens look good and smell good. No seasoning on the chicken, just the bread and mix, that's all. And Moss got some good stuff, y'all. For my side dishes, I had this here braised cabbage. Would you like to see a recipe with this here braised cabbage? And I also had some buttery mashed potatoes and cornbread. But check out this here shrimp and grit video that I posted. I guarantee you will love that video as well. I like to say thank you guys so much for watching this here video. Please subscribe for more videos and also watch these videos. I guarantee you would definitely love it. And with those shrimp and grits, all you have to do is click on that video and see exactly how I prepared them. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody.